Hey everyone, today I'm going to go over why StayFi has been implemented in over 60,000 short-term rentals to collect guest data, market to guests, monitor Wi-Fi, and boost upsell revenue. Whether you're new to Airbnb or you've been managing vacation rentals for years, StayFi has the tools you need to increase occupancy rates and drive direct bookings, helping you to build a truly independent brand. This means reducing your reliance on third-party channels like Airbnb and Vrbo. StayFi empowers you to take control of your business by collecting data from every guest, not just the booker. With our comprehensive tools, you can ensure guests return to book directly with you time and time again. Let's see how this all works. We'll start by taking a look at the splash page. The splash page is the first thing a guest sees when they log into the Wi-Fi at your property, same as what you might see at a hotel, an airport, or a coffee shop. This is a branded page, so right off the bat, your guests know they are staying with a professional property manager. Your guests will enter their information, opt into marketing, and click Connect to Wi-Fi. Guests will then be redirected to the homepage, which is your opportunity to advertise the sites you want to drive traffic to or provide essential guest resources. On the page, you can see a few examples of what you might want to put here, but you can get as creative as you'd like. You also have the option of using our partners, the Hostco and Viator. The Hostco will allow you to set up a virtual store for each of your properties to sell amenities such as early check-in or late checkout, while our Viator integration allows you to make an automated 8% commission when guests purchase a local experience. After you've collected that information, it will all live here in your StayFi dashboard in your guest list. Keep in mind that we also validate the guests' emails using zero bounce as they come in, so you know you're getting real emails to market out to. From here, you can hop on over to our internal email marketing tool to retarget guests with the data you've collected from StayFi, your PMS, or a list you might want to upload. You'll be able to set up customer journeys to have your emails going out automatically, such as a Wi-Fi welcome, or you can send out one-off campaigns. You can choose to create your emails from scratch, use a pre-built template, or use our one-click campaign tool to create email campaigns faster than ever before. You also have the option to utilize our text marketing tool, where you'll have the ability to send out a welcome message, a group text, or use our rate and review feature to drastically increase the amount of reviews you get. In addition to these features, you'll be able to monitor your Wi-Fi right from your StayFi dashboard or set up over-occupancy alerts if you'd like to be notified when there are too many people at the property. To enable these features, StayFi uses hardware called an access point that plugs directly into your router. This device will broadcast a new guest network for your guests to use, allowing you to collect their information. If you have any questions or need help selecting the right devices, please send us an email at sales@stayfi.com, or you can book a demo with one of our account executives from our website. Otherwise, if you want to learn more about our pricing structure to get started, you can click on our pricing tab to see hardware and software costs. Be sure to check out our ROI calculator as well to learn more about your anticipated earnings. StayFi users have not only seen their direct bookings soar to 60, 80, and even 100%, but they've also experienced a significant increase in overall occupancy. As their dependency on channels like Airbnb and Vrbo diminishes, their properties are booked more consistently and profitably. Thank you so much for watching. We're looking forward to giving you back control of your business by increasing your brand awareness, driving more repeat and direct bookings, and increasing your overall revenue.